Hi, it's Emily and thank you so much for clicking this video. So for today I'm doing another Halloween tutorial and this one is going to be on a cracked doll. I had so much fun creating this look and I'm actually really obsessed with the end turnout of it. And if you like it too, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up as well as subscribe if you haven't joined the family already. Also make sure to leave a comment down below what you plan on being for Halloween this year as well as hit those bell notifications so you don't miss any of my future tutorials, and let's jump into the look. Okay, so I started off with clean skin for my base, but I'm first going to go into the Ket Cosmetics Fix Cream Makeup for the correction under my eye. Part of the reason I'm doing this is because we want to make sure we have a really nice and clean, smooth base to look like we really are a doll. For my foundation, I'm going to be going into the Hourglass Vanish Foundation in Alabaster. You want to make sure you bring the foundation all the way down your neck as well as your ears just so everything is one seamless shade and looks really smooth. Then for my concealer, I'm going to be going into the Tarte Creases Concealer in Fair. I'm then going to set all of that with the Pixie by Petra Flawless Finishing Powder. I'm then going to be doing a little bit of contour, and for that I'm going to be using the Pixie by Petra Natural Contour Powder. I'm just doing this to bring back a little bit of shape and definition to my face, but you don't want to go too harsh with it since usually dolls don't have any contour. Then for my blush, I want to make it really doll-like, and so I'm going to be using a couple different shades of pink, and I'm first going to go in with Hot from the Morphe Cool Pro palette, and then I'm going to go on top of that with the Benefit Dandelion. I'm mainly concentrating on the color on the apples of the cheeks and then bring it back just so we can really get that doll look. I'm then going to go into my brows, and I'm first going to carve them out with the Morphe Brow Cream in Hazelnut. Then going to go in and fill the gaps with the Morphe Brow Pencil in Hazelnut. I'm then going to set down my brows with the Benefit Gimme Brow. I'm then going to go into my eyes, and I'm first going to prime them with the Morphe Eyelid Primer. Then for my shadows, I'm going to be going into the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, but like always, you don't have to use the same palette as me, you can always just use similar colors. I'm first going to go in with a little bit of MFEO and a small blending brush and put that into my crease to build a little bit of definition. While I'm blending this color, I'm just going to keep it in this C motion right here so I get more of a doll-eyed look versus the normal look that I like to create with my eyes. Then going into a slightly darker brown called Pooter, I'm going to put that into my crease and not blend it out as much just so we can start to create more definition in the crease. Then taking a smaller brush and picking up a tiny bit of Mocha, I'm going to start to really carve out that crease to create definition. I'm then going to take the shimmery shadow in the palette called Beam and put that all over my lid. I'm then going to go into the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black. I'm going to make a very thin line on my upper lash line. Then for my lower lash line, I'm going to be using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and I'm going to put that on my waterline as well as a little bit below to try to make my eyes look more big. So after I have the white all laid out, I'm then going to go in with the same browns that we used in the crease and just slightly blend out the very bottom edge of the white. And then just going to softly blend those edges. I'm then going to go in with a little bit of lashes and mascara, and I'm first going to go in with the Tarte's Lights Camera Lashes Mascara, and then I'm going to follow that up with the Morphe Lashes in Melrose Avenue. Once I have this all done, since I don't have any lashes for the bottom, I'm going to go in with the same liquid liner that we were using earlier and create fake lashes. I'm then going to highlight the high points of my face, and for that I'm going to be using the Becca highlighter in Pearl. I'm then going to go into my lips, and I'm first going to start off by lining them with the Bite Beauty Lip Crayon in 006, and then I'm going to finish that off with the Bite Beauty Lip Gloss in Daikin. Now for the fun part, it's time to create the cracks, and for that I'm going to be using the same Kat Von D liner that we used on the rest of our face. I did look at some reference pictures, and so I knew where I wanted my cracks to go and more what I wanted it to look like before I started, but I'm first going to start off by creating a big crack and hole in the middle of my forehead. And here is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment down below of what you plan on being for Halloween, as well as subscribe if you haven't joined already. Please make sure to also give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.